You don't have to convince lakhs or millions of people about your positioning me only. Even 1,000 to 5,000 people, if you convince them that you are an authority in this field, that is it. There are multiple ways of knowing that why you only, right? The last question, I think this is what we are discussing, why you only. The combination of it. From the marketing and from the positioning standpoint, your micro niche comes into picture because you're not for everybody. You know a specific set of audience. Guess what? Nobody in marketplace is actually focusing on micro niche only. They're just going after everybody and they're just being generalist. Your positioning comes into picture. That's why you are the better specialist. Okay. Number two, that was micro niche. Then your positioning, right? Now I'm giving you tactical things and also logical things with this, okay? So tactical are this, your positioning, your micro niche, India's first, or number one in so and so, or whatever, small states number first, right? Number one, Mumbai's first, whatever it is. You have to look at your market. So you have to do a market study and research as well. Then you have to go back and look, hey, what is it that people are not able to deliver, but there is a big problem, okay? That is another thing. Number four is your unique story. Your unique story cannot be replicated by anybody else. Like, my story is my story. So combination of your positioning, your micro niche, and see what others are not doing in the industry, that problem that you went through. Number four is your story, and then doing things based on the results. Like for example, in my case, Train the Trainer has been in this industry for decades. Train the trainer, train the trainer, train the trainer. Everybody's doing train the trainer, and still if you see, other people are still following train the trainer. I said, okay, how can I be me only? Do things that nobody else is doing, that you become me only. How many people have book, which is the best selling, also reviewed by some really celebrity in India? Very few. So I become an authority, me only. How many people in India are focusing on only 9 to 5 people? I'm sure Vivek Bindra cannot solve it, Sandeep Maheshwari cannot solve it, Arfin Khan cannot solve it. I mean, very few people are solving it. Even if they do, they're doing only limited aspect of the train the trainer only. They're not building the entire end-to-end solutions like mentorship program. No theory based, only result based, community based, and this is where we don't exchange time for money. Not like other mentors or coaches that, hey, you know what, only this time and that time only. Right? And you only have to do things on your own, that's it. We will just train you and go away. That's what everybody else is doing. So it's your ability to combine all these aspects and see, hey, how can I create my own positioning? And guess what? You don't have to convince lakhs or millions of people about your positioning me only. You can only convince thousands or few thousand, even 1,000 to 5,000 people. If you convince them that you are an authority in this field, that is it.